Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session, children. Yesterday, we were learning about the left turn under the independent India from 1947 to 1977. So, left turn means the government which was led by Indira Gandhi has taken up a slogan called as Garibi Hatao in 1971 elections. And these elections were early elections. Why I call it as early election mean? Generally, elections will be held for every 5 years. But these elections have come only after 4 years. She has called for elections early. Okay, before its term getting expired, she has called for election. And she wanted to prove herself as a leader of the party and the leader of the country. With the Garibi Hatao and the new socio-economic restructuring policies, what she wanted to implement, she has become the darling of masses. And you know it very well, she could not keep up her promises also after the winning of this election. Events went beyond her control, which put Indira Gandhi in a spot and made it difficult to fulfill her many of the dreams. And many times, yesterday I was talking to you regarding the amendment to the constitution also. Okay, very fastly they were amending the constitution, which we consider it as a threat to the basic principles of the Indian constitution. In that case also, the Supreme Court has come very strongly and condemned the process through which the amendment is being made. And her term has coincided with a rather grave social and economic conditions. Not only in India, in the world also there were grave social and economic conditions. And that impact is seen even on Indian government also, especially during the period of Indira Gandhi. So in 1973, there was a Israel war, okay, Arab-Israel war was there, which has arisen in 1973, children, it was, okay. There was Arab and Israel, okay, Israeli war was there, which has raised the prices of the oil का prices जो है, petroleum का prices जो है वो बढ़ गई था, okay, to such an all-time high. That has put lot of pressure on the government because of the rise in the prices of the oil has put the government under pressure. And there was a scarcity of food, unemployment was there, and inflation was all-time high. जो सामान का ज़रूरी सामान का prices जो था वो बढ़ गई. So because of all these things, there was a pressure on the government. So the general unhappiness of among the large section of the population is found during her term, and this gave the opposition a chance to get into act. So they began to tap its discontentment in different parts of the country. Already there was unhappiness and unsatisfaction over the government because it could not control the prices. The opposition united under Jayaprakash Narayan. Entire opposition जो था वो जयप्रकाश नारायणन बोल के एक सोशलिस्ट लीडर था, उसके लीडरशिप में सभी लोग इकट्ठे हो गए, यूनाइटेड हो गए. एंड ये जयप्रकाश नारायणन का जो कैंपेन था, इट वाज वेरी स्ट्रांग इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री, स्पेशली इन बिहार इट वाज वेरी स्ट्रांग. एंड in different parts of the country against the Congress, and especially it was also against to the Indira Gandhi. कांग्रेस के खिलाफ ही नहीं, इंदिरा गांधी के खिलाफ ये सभी लोग इकट्ठे हो गए थे. And this was famously known as JP movement in the country, and it was very popular in Bihar and Gujarat. JP movement था वो गुजरात में और बिहार में बहुत स्ट्रांग था, स्पेशली उत्तर प्रदेश में भी बहुत स्ट्रांग था. Whereas in South India there were regional parties थे, regional parties के वजह से okay, the Congress impact was very little found, even though Congress was very strong in South India, but regional parties started filling up that vacuum in South India. So coming to the emergency क्या है ये? Okay, she declared emergency. जब वार होती है, okay, जब युद्ध के प्रकटन होती है, then you can call for emergency. Okay, if there is any internal crisis, if there is any external crisis, if there is any financial crisis also, you can call for emergency. But why emergency has been called by Indira Gandhi? So the government has reacted very harshly on the JP movement. That means with a series of laws which has violated the civil rights in the name of maintaining order. मेंटेन करने के लिए, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मेंटेन करने के लिए, पीसफुल रखने के लिए बहुत सारे हार्श लॉस को इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे थे गवर्नमेंट. कैसे था वो? द अपोजिशन ऑल्सो क्रिटिसाइज्ड the Prime Minister for personalizing the government. And meanwhile, due to the decision of Allahabad High Court में एक decision आया था, क्या बोल के इंदिरा गांधी was unseated from Lok Sabha for violating some election provisions during 1971 election. However, she got a stay from Supreme Court से stay ले आके वो डिसीजन को वो पेंडिंग में रख ली, मगर इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट में तो एक बहुत बड़ी डिसीजन दे दिया था बिकॉज प्राइम मिनिस्टर को ही अनसीट करवाया था. शी गॉट डिस्क्वालीफाइड टू द फॉर द लोकसभा ड्यूरिंग द 1971 इलेक्शन. क्यों बोले तो वो इलेक्शन में कुछ माल प्रैक्टिसेस हुआ था, उसके वजह से इंदिरा गांधी को डिस्क्वालीफाई करा था. फिर भी वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट को जाके स्टे लेकर आई, वो भी उसके अंदर था. ओके किसके अंदर? इंदिरा गांधी के मन में था. इफ शी बिकम्स if she has to come down from the seat of prime minister, then she cannot bear that insult. For that reason also she started coming down harshly on the opposition and criticizing them. A few days later, what happened? With the JP movement gaining more strength, the government imposed emergency and justified it as necessary to preserve the order and save the democracy. To protect the social and economic transformation and preserve the national integrity, she has shown the justification that ये डेमोक्रेसी प्रजास्वाम्य को प्रजातंत्र को बचाने के लिए मैं इमरजेंसी इंप्लीमेंट करने जा रहा हूँ बोल के she has announced that in order to protect the democracy, emergency will be implemented. With the democracy was emergency implementation करना बोले तो to put an hold to the democracy. The government began repressive measures. ये इमरजेंसी में क्या होती? लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को कंट्रोल करने के लिए किसी को भी अंदर डाल सकते हैं और बिना कुछ वजह से भी आपको मार डाल सकते. You can be shoot at sight without any reason also. Such power the police will get under the emergency. So by claiming that this was necessary to bring order in the country, she started implementing these all. Many of the fundamental rights were suspended. अब हम जो राइट्स एंजॉय कर रहे, फंडामेंटल राइट्स जो एंजॉय कर रहे, ये पूरा राइट्स निकाल देते हैं. कब? इमरजेंसी. राइट टू इक्वालिटी, राइट टू लाइफ, दिस ऑल थिंग्स विल बी सस्पेंडेड and you have to be under the police control only during the emergency. That was implemented by Indira Gandhi. Many of the civil liberties, freedom, ओके हमारा जो कॉमन पीपल का फ्रीडम जो है पूरा निकाल देते हैं. एंड देयर विल बी टॉर्चर and arbitrary detention will be there. So we'll learn much about this emergency in the next class, children. Thank you.